2017 Harley-Davidson V-Rod Muscle I Motorcycle Review. Back in 2001, Harley-Davidson introduced its VRSC V-Rod to the motorcycle world to compete with both imported and domestic, U.S., muscle bikes. The factory teamed up with Porsche to design the aptly named Revolution engine to power this new drag bike, and the evolution of the Revolution has continued ever since. One needs to look no further than the V-Rod muscle to appreciate how the Vehicle and Powertrain Operations factory in Kansas City, Missouri, has spent the last 14 years. This drag bike maintains the design concepts of the original VRSC, with the subtle improvements that one expects given the popularity of the bike and the ever-increasing strides in technology over the past decade and a half. The original VRSC was based loosely, very loosely, on the VR1000 superbike design, though visually the two bikes are as different as chalk and cheese, though that could also be said of the difference between the VRSC and any other Harley street model. In a sharp departure from convention, Harley used a 60-degree, water-cooled V-twin engine as opposed to the usual 45-degree, air-cooled engine.